Stop paying that $895 annual fee on your American Express Platinum card without getting paid to do it. You are likely leaving thousands of dollars in points or statement credits on the table every single year because you do not know the secret script to trigger the algorithm. Most people either pay the bill or cancel the card, but there is a middle ground where the bank practically begs you to stay. If you follow this exact process, you could walk away with 50,000 points in less than 10 minutes. But be careful, because if you say the wrong words, the agent might close your account before you even realize what happened. Every year, American Express charges you a massive fee to keep your Platinum card active. What they do not tell you is that they have a special category of rewards called loyalty incentives. We usually call these retention offers. These are not gifts given out of the goodness of their hearts. These are computer-generated deals designed to keep you from leaving. The most important thing to understand is that the person you talk to on the chat or the phone has almost zero power. They cannot just give you points because they like you. They are simply looking at a screen that tells them if the computer has an offer waiting for you based on your spending patterns and how long you've had the card. You cannot just ask for these offers whenever you want. There is a science to the timing. Most experts and cardholders found that you are eligible for an offer roughly every 13 to 14 months. If you accepted an offer last year, you must wait until that time has passed before the computer will show a new one in the system. The absolute best window to try is right after your annual fee shows up on your statement. You have 30 days from the date the fee is billed to cancel and get a full refund. This is your biggest point of leverage. If you wait 31 days, you lose your power because they already have your money and they know you cannot get it back easily. You have two main ways to do this. You can call the membership consulting department or use the live chat in the American Express app. Many people find the chat much easier and faster. When you start the chat, do not just ask for a retention offer directly. Instead, tell the agent that you are considering canceling your card because the $895 fee is too high to justify. Mention specific benefits you are not using. For example, tell them you do not use the hotel credits or the digital entertainment credits. This shows the system that the card is not providing enough value for you. Before we go further, I must mention that this information is based on public data points and personal experiences from other cardholders. It is meant for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute personal finance, legal, or investment advice. You should always consult with a licensed professional for advice pertaining to your specific financial situation. Once you tell them you want to cancel, the agent will usually give you a long list of all the benefits you have used. They might say you saved $2,000 this year. Just be polite and say that even with those savings, you are still thinking about switching to a different card with a lower fee. At this point, the agent will check the system. They might offer you a statement credit of $500 after you spend $4,000 in 3 months. Or they might offer you 50,000 membership rewards points for that same spend. Sometimes the offers are smaller, like 15,000 points for spending $3,000. If you like the offer, you can accept it right there. If you do not like it, you can say you will think about it and try again in a few days. The offers can change daily, so a no today does not mean a no forever. Remember that if you accept an offer, you are agreeing to keep the card open for at least 12 more months. If you close the card before that year is up, American Express might take back the points they gave you or even shut down all your accounts. It is also important to know that spending more money on your card does not always lead to a better offer. In fact, some people who spend over $100,000 a year get no offer at all because the bank knows they are unlikely to leave. If you are truly ready to leave, mention you are moving your spend to cards from Chase or Capital One, as this sometimes nudges the system to be more generous. If this information helped you save money or earn more points today, please regale me to like. To show you made it to the end and that you are ready to master your rewards, leave a comment with the word retention. That is RETENTION